Hi friends, this is Vivin and today we are with the Samsung Galaxy A50s. We will talk about the hidden features of the device, tips and tricks and something detailed overview of the device. We have already covered the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A50s. We have done the gaming review of the device too, and this device is a successor of Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's start the video and check out more of Samsung Galaxy A50s. Samsung Galaxy A50s comes with the face unlock and on-screen display fingerprint sensor. Talking about the face unlock, here you can see the face unlock works very smoothly, and at the same time on-screen fingerprint sensor also. On-screen fingerprint sensor has been improved, which was previously last we have seen in the A50. This is the A50s. So definitely the fingerprint has improved. It is little bit faster. Now, one of the most significant change what Samsung has done, if you press the power button, it will trigger the Bixby. So the Bixby will pop up, and this is something they have showcased in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. How you can change it, I will tell you that also. So if you press twice the power button, it will open the Bixby, and for changing that, there is a very simple menu. You have to just go. If you want power off, there is a software feature also. You have to pull down the notification. Once you pull down, there is a option power off, restart and emergency mode. There is a side key option, just press that. You can go that wake up Bixby. You can change that to power off menu. Here you can see press and hold, you can change that. If you talk about the double press can be quick launch to the camera. It can be open Bixby and it can open any third-party app. So you can change that for the quick launch. Right now I am putting it into the camera. Here you can see I am pressing the power button, and right now it has changed from Bixby to power button. How you will find it? Let's go to the setting and I will show you the another place where you can find. You can see the additional feature. Here you will get the same menu and same features. You can change them manually. You can change the open the app. You can change to quick launch camera, and press and hold, you will go with the power button. For demonstration, here is the demonstration it is given. You can check that out, that how it will work. And again there is a side key settings in the bottom. You can press that, again you will directed back to the same feature. Now going to the advanced feature once more, there is a Bixby routine where you will get the notification card, call and text to the other devices if all the Samsung account and the Galaxy devices are connected with each other. Now you can link with to the Windows. How it will work, you have to sign in with the Microsoft account and you can link with the Windows. You can uh, unlock your Windows laptop with doing the fingerprint here. There are few good things also about that. We'll talk that later also. Here you can also reduce animation, the refresh rate will be faster. Now you can see there is a smart stay. If you are looking into the screen, it will be awake. There is also smart alert. Phone will vibrate when you pick it up of missing call and the received messages and alert. You can have a easy mute just waving off on your device. There is a one hand mode. This is basically swiping out from the diagonally, and this will give you the one hand mode. There is another which is a palm swipe gesture. This is basically palm swipe gesture. You can see you can take the screenshot from edge to edge your hand across that. So definitely this is the easy one. These features will be helpful. You can also swipe to call or send messages. These are all coming into the motion and the gesture feature. If we have also dual messenger. This is basically the Facebook is there. If you switch it on, it will ask you to install another Facebook. This will be a secondary account, so you can run two accounts at the same time. Dual apps can be run. There is a panic mode, which is basically the SOS mode. Then there is a navigation bar. Talking about navigation bar, I love the full screen gesture, because in this you are getting a full display screen and you can remove the navigation buttons and the gesture hints. So definitely it is up to your choice, but I like that. There is also easy mode. This is basically those who want a bigger fonts, they can use that. So this is what we are getting in the easy mode. Now talking about that, you can already see we are using a dark mode. I will recommend you guys to use the dark mode because this will consume less power and also less strain to your eye. The display is 6.4 inch Full HD Plus display, which is the Infinity U Super AMOLED display. And now in the device we are also getting a Samsung Pay. This is an NFC based Samsung Pay. You can have the card, install them, and directly when you are paying you just have to hold the device and scan it. It will just do the work. Coming to the app says, this is something we have seen the Samsung S devices, Galaxy, which were the flagship smartphone. So basically Samsung is bridging the gap between its flagship and its mid-tier smartphones by bringing the same kind of software experience. Talking about that, in the feature app says you can remove some apps, you can add some apps whichever you like. So currently you can see you can add folders also at the same time. You have gallery, I'm just removing it, and gallery will be back in this menu. You can see that gallery is on the top. So this is how things will work. You can't swipe them and drag and move them, so you have to remove them manually and change the position. Now if you go to the settings, there are some more panels which you can add, which include the Samsung members, people edge, task edge, weather, quick tools, Samsung internet, reminder, clip edge. So these are the few things which you can add. How it will work, I will show you adding few edges panel. You can off that. So right now there will be no edge panel. That is one more thing. You can permanently switch it off if you don't want it. Currently if you can see, I am just putting the task edge, and also in this I'm just swiping one more time. Here you can see the task edge is there. You can add multiple of them. I am switching on the weather also. Right now you can see there is a task edge, there is a weather. So you are getting the three apps edge on the side, which is a good thing. The edge screen gives you more functionality and more users. You can again install it, but by default the apps edge will be there. You can't remove them completely. If we talk how you will arrange the gaps, so right now I have removed all of them. They will start filling from the rightmost side. Then once the right side is been filled, then they will come to the left side. Left column will be filled. So I'm just randomly putting some of the apps in that, so that you guys can check it out. Here you can fill it. If you press it again minus, it will go there. If you want, these are the features you can get it. But this is definitely a cool thing, but it is up to your customization how you like it. And if you don't like it, you can permanently switch it off. Now coming to the notification panel, what you are getting, definitely this is a full screen notification panel. If you press the night mode, there is a shortcut for that. We have seen that earlier also in the display. NFC is also present. There is also edge lightning. So what is the edge lightning will do, I will talk about that later on. But I am switched on the night mode. Again back, there is the Bixby button. Now going to the Dolby Atmos, it will work only once you are connected with your earphones. It is not for the loudspeaker one, so there is that thing. Now you are also getting a welcome secure folder. This is basically if you want something password protected the folder and you don't want others to look it out, so you can create that also. Coming to the notification bar, again we are having few more things. It includes the blue light filter. Blue light filter is basically if you don't like to have it attract on your eyes. Then there is kids mode. It is basically the games and the apps for the kids. How you will go from here, you can't swipe it. Here you can see I'm trying to swipe the navigation key, but it will not work. It will ask for the authentication first, and once you give the authentication, it will be back to the home screen. Now few more things. It includes the media and devices. What is this? This is basically you have a smart device, it is connected with the smartphone. You can control the media directly from here. You can also change the audio for the media. You can get the help. You can have the media devices. You can scan them. But about the software update, this is the latest software installed for that. Talking about the devices, here you can see how many devices are connected for the smart devices. Let me turn into the night mode so that you guys can have a better look on it. This will also help you to remove the Android TV remote app, which is definitely a buggy one. I still found it very buggy. Now what we have other things. Going to the settings right now. Settings we will see one by one. Going to the display, I have already told you the night mode. We have already told about the blue light filter. Here it is. It will be showing a little bit yellowish in color. You also can change the font size, font style. You can have the screen zoom. Here is the edge screen what we have seen. So there is the main in the setting. If you want, you can change that. Now you have one more thing. It is the edge lighting. It is of the notification where you want how to do the customization on it. while the screen is on. How it will work, I will show you that also. The screen lightning can be changed. So here we will start first with the effects. You can see at the top there is an effect coming, and these are the different effects for that. So if you get a notification, this is how it will look, and these are the few animation. You can change the transparency level from low to high, and I will recommend you to have a low one. You can change the colors also. Currently I have changed to red. This is one more thing. Then there is also how long the duration will be for the notification of the edge lighting. You can change that. These are all personal customization, whatever and however you like to have it on your device, and make it full customization. There is navigation bar. I have already told you I don't like the navigation bar, so I basically use the gesture features. We also get the wallpapers and themes. These are the, some are paid, some are definitely free. You like whatever, you can install them or download them from the store. There is a smart lock. This will actually the Google trusted location or detects your activity nearby. This is basically Google's by default lock. I will not recommend you guys to use this. There is secure lock setting. The best part of the secure lock setting is you can do the auto factory reset if you put 15 times incorrect attempts to unlock your device. This is basically if somebody steals or somebody wants to do a sneak peek of the device, of your personal device, they can have a, they will never find something to go inside it, and the device will be auto reset. Now if we talk about the face widget is something you will get on your screen. It comes with the music, today's schedule, next alarm, weather, Bixby routines, and this all will be on the show, always on display. So this is we are getting in the face widget. There is also roaming clock. There is a contact information. You want any personal message to drop, like Gizmo Maniac's phone, you can put that message there also. If we talk about the biometrics and the security, what we are getting, starting with the fingerprint sensor, you are getting a multiple fingerprint sensor you can install. Currently I have installed 2 fingerprint sensor, and there is also Samsung Pass and Samsung Pay. Samsung Pay, I have already told you, you can use that with your NFC and can install that card. There is also Samsung Pass. This basically will save all the password of your phone for every app like Facebook, Gmail. So after that, we are also getting the digital well-being. This will be actually how much time you have spent on your phone. We are also getting the device care. This will basically tell you what are the apps, how can you free your RAM, how can you optimize it, what is the storage. You can have a look and glance of it. So after that, the last thing we are getting is the we have already talked about the software management. It is running on Android 9.0 Pie with One UI version 1.5. Now if we come to the home screen, we swipe from left to right, we get the Bixby home. There are some of the news topics, latest trends, latest videos, apps you can install. These are the few things you are getting. One thing before I forgot, that some people say that Samsung has given too many bloatwares, but I don't think so, because you can always uninstall the bloatware. Here I am just showing you how to do that. So you can always uninstall their extra apps which are installed in your phone, what Samsung is giving right now, which is the best part for the user. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy A50s software and the hidden features. We have seen that